Tell me when.
Hi Mr. Singh, what are you doing today?
Yeah, okay, so today what we're doing is, as you see in my first video, we're repairing the Rolls Royce. There was a big hole on the side, so I'm just going to put some gloves on. And what I've done is I've mixed some resin with a hardener. You can use any hardener. This is a roofing hardener that I had lying around, and this is fiberglass, which you can just tear off. You can get it from any DIY shop. So I've mixed the hardener with the covering agent, and we'll just make the fiberglass, just get it really wet, and then we'll pick that up into like this, and this will go straight onto the existing hole that we had. So we just clean the sides up. You got to make sure that you're back to the metal so that the fiberglass can stick on. So if you see my first video, you will see that there's a big hole on the side of the sill, and once this dries, we can then put P38 adhesive onto it. So where it's picking up like this, you can just cover it